Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Sorrentino here. I'm going to read you a little story called I Wish You More. This is mine and Miss Basili's wish for you guys for the summer. In this book, we're going to see a bunch of things we wish for you. And we always wish you guys the best. But the thing that we wish most for the summer is that we could give you a hug before then. But don't you worry, come September, you're all getting hugs. I Wish You More by Amy Krauss Rosehall and Tom Linkheld. Sorry, guys. I wish you more. So you see this flower? When you see a flower like this, you're supposed to pick it and blow all of the little petals off. When you blow those petals off, you're supposed to make a wish. So today, before we start, I want you guys to make a wish for the summer. Close your eyes. Pretend like you have a flower in your hand. Make your wish. When you make your wish, blow it off. These are my and Miss Pastille's wishes. You ready for them? I wish you more ups than downs. That means we want you to have more good times than bad. I wish you more give than take. Because when you give something to a friend, you feel really happy, and you should be thankful that you have more to give. I wish you more tippy toes than deep. Think about it in the pool. I wish that you're all floating. We wish that you're all floating. I wish you more we than me. Be on a team. We wish that you could be with your friends right now. I wish you more hugs than hugs. Ugh. Like, we don't want you to feel bad. We want you to always feel good. Always feel great. So right now, I want you to give yourselves a hug from me and Miss Pastille. I wish you more woohoos than whoa. So we want you to have fun this summer. Make sure you go outside and have fun with each other. I wish you more will. I want you to say, I can do it, than hills. I wish you more can than not. You see how the play on words here, they use this knot, like knot in your shoe because she's a knot in her shoe. But always believe in yourselves. I wish you more snowflakes than tongue. You know what Miss Sorrentino says, when you get a snowflake on your tongue, you should make a wish. I wish you more pause than fast forward. Take the summer and enjoy the time. Enjoy the time to relax before we go back in September, guys. I wish you more umbrellas than rain. I don't want anybody getting wet, but this is saying that we wish that you have a little brightness to your life. I wish you more bubbles than bath, because we all know bubbles are so much fun. I wish you more treasures than pockets, which means I want you to get everything. That means that we want you to experience everything. Go to the beach this summer. I wish you more stories than stars. Go on adventures in books, guys. I wish all of this for you because you are everything I could wish for. You guys have been, and more. You guys have been an amazing class this year. Me and Miss Pastille love you guys so much, and we miss you so much. We wish the very, very best for all of you. And we wish that you have a fabulous, fabulous summer with your families. We wish that you had a great second grade year, because I know I did, so I hope you all did. And we wish that third grade is going to be amazing. We love you guys. We miss you guys. Here's my hug to you. Bye, guys.